So if they ask themselves that question, it's probably because they know the answer, and the answer is, oops, it's an overkill.
Welcome to GenAI Talks.
My view of the preparation for the disillusion is coming from the fact that way too many GPUs have been purchased to do training. Why am I saying that? Because this morning and yesterday I was with CSPs who were telling me, I have a lot of GPUs. I've done some training with them. Until the beginning of the year, I was doing about 80% training, 20% other stuff on my GPUs. We are at the middle of the year. We are reaching 50-50, 50% training, 50% inference. By the end of the year, we are predicting with these customers, not me, but I trust them. We are predicting that it will be 80% inference, 20% training. Are my GPUs the right tools for that? For training, yes. For inference, they can run it. But are they not a bazooka to kill a mosquito? So if they ask themselves that question, it's probably because they know the answer, and the answer is, oops, it's an overkill. However, I have them. They consume a lot of power. They are staying idle. Can I do something else? And the answer is, think about your workloads and then decide where to run the workloads. That's, to me, the biggest issue that we have to solve, and that customers have to solve, and that CSPs have to solve. Customers have to solve this question. What is my workload? Where do I run it? Do I run it on the cloud? Do I run it in my data center? Do I run it at the edge? More and more it will be run at the edge. For many reasons. Less costly. CPUs are much more and more capable to run that, especially the Intel Core Ultra CPUs that have NPUs, neural processing units in it, and therefore can run the AI instructions efficiently on the laptop. And therefore, if you choose those as a user, you know that it will automatically call the effective NPUs on the Core Ultra or the integrated accelerators for AI on the Xeons. And if you want to do some AI, do you always need a GPU? In some cases, yes. But in most cases, as we go towards inference, not necessarily if you're an enterprise. If you're a large hyperscaler, you might still want to do some training on GPUs. You might have enough inference to run on some accelerators. As an end user, what are my issues, problems? Do I have the data? Is it an AI problem? I have now a solution. Where do I run it? Where do I run it the most efficiently? Rather than, let me buy some GPUs and see what I can do with them. It's just like if you move your house once every 3-4 years, do you buy a truck that you will use once every 3 years? Obviously not.
Big ideas, real tools, bold moves. That's what GenAI Talks is all about. Don't miss what's next. Subscribe and explore more in our GenAI community.